Welcome back to Shane's Car Life. Today, it's going to be a quick one, really. Winnipeg being Winnipeg, I cracked the front lip on the car, so got a new one from the factory, which was bloody expensive considering I found out you can get them aftermarket for 20% of the price. But we're headed over to Olaf's. I dropped the spoiler off with him earlier, and we're headed over there right now to do the swap. The whole thing should take about 10 minutes or so, but you know, everything's a video. See you when we get there. No, you're never in my way. So you can see here the joys of parking islands and snowbanks in Winnipeg. I'm not that bad of a driver, but sometimes shit happens. This actually happened last year when I high-sided on a snowbank at the end of my street. It wasn't a snowbank, it was a snow drift, and I didn't realize how hard it was going to be, so when we pulled the car back off it, that happened. So shouldn't take very long to do this. I see Olaf is already anxious to get me out of here because he's already working. So catch up with you in a minute. Nice and simple. A little bit of trouble at this end, just trying to stretch it around into the fender well, but other than that, fits as it should for a factory part. So thanks for watching. Olaf, thanks for your help again and use of your garage, and we'll see you next video.